Hello everyone from Notebook Review Forum. This is just a short video that I'm doing to show you the panel replacement that I performed on my Lenovo Y50. The panel that I installed is from AWO. It's a B156HAN01.1. It's a matte screen. As you can see, the view angles are pretty good. Sorry for the glare. The Windows is open. Both from the vertical and the horizontal plane. Now I don't think you can appreciate either the gamut or the brightness and contrast, but the dynamic range in the lower part of the brightness curve is much higher, and basically you can discern the dark colors better, which is very good because the previous panel had the problem that all the dark colors looked alike in a black, washed up black mass. Okay, I'll just zoom on the Eiffel Tower. I don't know if we can get some more details in the black part, but believe me, everything here was pitch black with the previous screen. That's everything. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.